So if you followed me for any length of time, you've seen this before. We just blue painter's tape, just taping off all the black plastic. And the reason why we're doing that is because we're polishing the truck, and this one's going to get a ceramic coating on it. But why we do that, and I'll show you why. So if you polisher, you got your pad, and you're going along and you're polishing. What if you start bumping into this plastic? There's polish on this pad. Now you're going to be rubbing it, and it's going to get onto that black plastic, and it's going to leave a mark. Yeah, you can clean it up, but it's still going to be a pain. And some plastic some of the stuff is textured. It's not going to come out that easily. If you've ever dealt with this with wax, seen it with wax before, you get wax right along the edge or something like that, and you can't get it cleaned out. It's the same thing with polishes. And then also our backing plates on our polishers, that can hit up against this and actually damage it. So that tape will actually help. The tape will actually help protect that from those backing plates. So the little bit of extra time I do, I take to do all this and tape it all off. Just I can get closer to the plastic while I'm polishing, get better results, make the truck look a whole lot better. So I'll talk to you soon.